This sign is used to warn drivers about road curves ahead. This sign is used to warn drivers about road curves ahead. This sign tells you that there is a series of curves ahead. This sign tells you that there is a series of curves ahead. This sign means slippery when wet. This sign means slippery when wet. This sign indicates that there is a steep hill ahead. This sign indicates that there is a steep hill ahead. The sign with this shape and color is a no passing zone. The sign with this shape and the color is no passing zone sign. If there are no signals at the railroad crossing, you should slow down and prepare to stop if you see or hear a train approaching. If there are no signals at the railroad crossing, you should slow down and prepare to stop if you are seeing or hear a train approaching. Highways and expressway guide signs are green with white letters. Highway and expressway guide signs are green with white letters. A yellow and white black diamond shaped sign warns you about conditions on or near the road. A yellow and black diamond shaped sound warns you about conditions on or near the road. This sign means the road that you are on intersects with a divided highway. This sign means the road that you are on intersects with a divided highway. If you see this sign above your lane, you must exit the freeway if you stay in this lane. If you see this sign above your lane, you must exit the freeway if you stay in this lane. You may continue carefully through a yellow light if you are within the intersection. You may continue carefully through a yellow light if you are within the intersection. You may turn left at red light if you are turning from a one-way street onto another one-way street. You may turn left at red light if you are turning from one-way street onto another one-way street. If a traffic light is broken or not functioning, you should continue as if it were a four-way stop sign. If a traffic light is broken or not functioning, you should continue as if it were a four-way stop sign. You may turn right on red light if stop fast and check for traffic and pedestrians. You may turn right on red light if you stop fast and check for traffic and pedestrians. Now, what marks have you got in these 15 questions? Please write in comment, and if this video is helpful, please subscribe, like and share.